Will Nonamaker here with, again, one of our unusual and unordinary endurance racers. And this is a special treat for me because I get to talk with Rob here. Rob, how you doing?
I'm doing great, Will.
And Rob, and for those of you who don't know, he's been crewed with us in the past, but he's also a big part of Watkins Glen International that helps make the sail in 6 hours happen. So Rob, hey, it's good to get a chat with you here, not talking about Watkins Glen International, which is fun, but about your Ford Mustang. I just love this car. So just tell us a little bit about your Ford Mustang.
Yeah, no, it's I bought it 2 years ago, right after my son was born. My wife said I could have a dad-son project, so I bought it as a shell, pulled out of a barn, and we built it from the ground up. Me and my friend Justin and friend Tom, and we've been running it 3 times. So it's pretty cool to build a car yourself and be able to run it at these champ car events at great tracks like here at Pit Race in Watkins Glen.
Yeah, and of course when we do these videos, they're presented by Malco Automotive. We don't do BMWs because that's normal. We don't do Miatas because that's normal. But this is unusual. So tell me why you picked orange as a paint.
Yeah, so one of my good friends, his race cars, his family race cars were orange, and Kubota tractor orange. You buy it at Tractor Supply. It was $100 to paint the whole car, so it's tractor paint, so that's why we went with it. Plus, you're out there, you see a lot of silver cars and white cars. So when going around the track, we don't see it. If you see the orange car, we know it's made to slap around. So.
Right. Now, I don't remember the gentleman's name, but there was a modified racer here in the East Coast that he would actually go out and kind of borrow orange paint.
Richie Evans.
Yes, Richie Evans, and he was known for that, and he kind of maybe borrowed the orange paint from the local highway. Yes.
Yeah.
So I always think of that when you tell me the story. So tell us the name of your team here.
So it's called Spare Change Racing. We wanted to have something that's kind of unique and clever and kind of funny. So, my wife jokes all of our spare change goes into this thing, besides taking care of, our son. But
yeah.
Love Mustangs, always, had them when I was a kid. And we used to run Hondas, and it was time to change platforms. So I wanted to build a V8 carbureted Mustang, something I can learn to work on and have fun with.
That is cool. So, and I love the orange. It makes me think of the papaya from McLaren.
Yes.
And again, to help you make sure that this really shines, Malco Automotive would like to present you with this nice tub of some great cleaning products in here. So when you get a chance, you're just going to really enjoy a lot of these great products they have in here that'll make your car shine and sparkle.
Awesome. Thanks, Will. Thanks, folks at Malco. I appreciate it.
All right, rock and roll.
Thank you.